Welcome to Life Beyond Certificate channel. In this video I will be telling you about side hustles you can do to earn $5,000 weekly, but before I continue, I will encourage you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. What is a side hustle? A side hustle is something you do to earn money in addition to your normal day job. It can be difficult to locate side jobs if you have 9-to-5 jobs, but side jobs are flexible jobs that you can fit in around your normal work schedule. An excellent side business is one that works with your schedule and enables you to make the money you need. The best side business for you will rely on your personality and interests. 8 tips on how to start a side hustle. 1. Make a list of what you're interested in. 2. Create a good business plan for your side hustle. 3. Identify your target audience. 4. Decide on what products and services you'll offer. 5. Determine the amount of time and resources you have available to allocate to your side hustle. 6. Make a schedule that works. 7. Don't forget about your day job. 8. With your skills, interests, and time figured out, you can start to consider which side hustles will be best for you. Best side hustle ideas. 1. Start a blog. Blogging is a perfect side hustle because you can take virtually any hobby or interest you have. Example: yoga, food, beauty, music, health, entertainment, fashion, etc., and create a blog around that topic. However, it takes a lot of effort and patience. Once you've chosen a topic, the next step is to choose a blogging platform. There are many different platforms available, each with its own set of features and options. Our recommendation is the self-hosted WordPress platform. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to start writing, generate traffic and monetize your blog to make money. Bloggers who are able to build an audience will have many opportunities to turn their influence into income. Ways to monetize your blog. 1. Add link to your dropshipping store. 2. Create and sell your products. 3. Add affiliate link to your blog post. 4. Partner with brands to publish sponsored post. 5. Display ads on your blog with Google AdSense. 2. Start a YouTube channel. Whether you're into vlogging, gaming, or cooking, there's an audience for your content. The best part is that anyone can start a channel with just a few simple steps. All you need is a Google account and you can create your own channel within minutes. You can use your channel to post videos about anything you're passionate about, from makeup tutorials, to video game, to cooking tutorials, walkthroughs to educational videos, etc. Best of all, if you put in the time and effort to grow your channel and gain subscribers, you can earn a lot from sponsorships and YouTube advertising. How much can you earn as a YouTuber? There's no simple answer for it, as your earnings depend on several things, including your video views, your audience demographics, the kind of videos you post, the kind of monetization strategies you use, Google AdSense, sponsorships, collaborations, selling your own products, etc. 3. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is the practice of conducting internet sales without personally purchasing or storing any products. When a consumer purchases a product from your online store, paying full retail price, you send their order to the supplier and pay them the wholesale price. You get to keep the entire profit if you can sell a product for more money than you bought it. Find a reputable supplier once you've decided what kind of goods you want to offer online. Find a reliable supplier who makes high quality products because they will be the ones to distribute your goods directly to your clients. To get started, you need to first pick products that have high demand and low market competition. Just make sure to spend enough time finding products that work best for you. How much can you earn from the dropshipping business? All dropshipping businesses are different, so your earnings depend on many things, including the products you promote, the average profit you generate, etc. 4. Become a social media manager. The need for qualified social media managers is greater than ever, with over 70% of the world's population utilizing social media every day. Through numerous social media sites, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc., you can help businesses in promoting their goods and services or manage a website's social media. As a social media manager, you'll have to perform various tasks such as 1. Managing comments on posts. 2. Creating and posting interesting social media posts. 3. Promoting goods to increase awareness on social media. 4. Growing their followers, user engagement, social media presence, etc. It might be the ideal position for you if you're a Facebook or Instagram addict. To succeed as a social media manager, you will need to have a strong understanding of each social media platform, as well as the ability to create engaging and visually appealing content. 5. Offer freelancing services. If you have skills or experience in content creation, web design, graphics design, etc., you can make a decent income by offering freelance services. Freelancing is doing specific work for clients without committing to full-time employment. What type of freelance services can you offer? Copywriting, web design, SEO services such as link building, keyword research, paid ads, etc. Social media management, such as posting regularly on social networks to increase engagement. Video editing. Graphics design. Top freelancing services website. Upwork. Fiverr. Guru. People per hour. We work remotely. Remote.co. 6. Teach English online. One of the simplest side businesses to start is teaching English online to native English speakers. Jobs are abundant and most pay more than $15 per hour. The majority of positions for teaching children are available in Asia. Therefore, depending on where you live, the hours may be somewhat unsociable. Working overnight or in the early hours of the day is possible. However, this can be just what you need if you're attempting to fit it in around your regular job schedule. Most of the time, you don't need any teaching experience. As long as you can communicate with kids and help them learn in English, you'll be good. Additionally, having a bachelor's degree is beneficial. Some platform to teach online. Preply, QKids, Schooly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel, so that you will be notified when we drop new videos.